And to discuss this, we have with us Lieutenant General Sanjay Kulkarni, former Director General Infantry, Indian Army, on the show. Welcome, sir, to the program. So could you tell us the full military significance of the inauguration of the Tata Aircraft Complex for the manufacture, assembly, testing and maintenance of C-295 military planes in Vadodara?
Thank you very much. I think at the very outset, it's been a huge, progress. Phase by phase, we are slowly and steadily moving towards Atmanirbhar Bharat. And that is the most important thing, because our Avros had turned aged. Now, having seen their life through, now the C-295s are modern generation transport aircraft. That means it can take 50 paratroopers or 71 soldiers in it. Excellent, because the kind of, even among the first deal that was there, stuck for 56 aircraft, of which 16 are to be given in flight conditions from Spain, and the rest of them would be manufactured by the Tata Advanced Systems Limited in collaboration or in league or with everybody, with Indian partners like the Bharat Dynamics and the Bharat Electrical. You find lots of MSMEs also chipping in. I think this is something which would lead not just for employment, but niche technology for which we are fully geared up. Our people are excellent. Absorption of technology is not a problem. And a place like Vadodara, which is so nice, even climatically excellent, even otherwise also, I think the only thing missing is Mr. Tata. He would have been one of the most happiest men to see a huge facility like the Tata Advanced System coming up in Baroda. And again, being the Prime Minister's home state, I think it's a win-win situation, because Spain, as a country, though he himself said that he missed him during the G20, he couldn't make it, and the Spanish head of state coming out almost after 20 years, after 18 years to India, and the kind of collaboration in defense, collaboration in renewable energy, in pharma, in economy, in all kinds of IT. I think it's a fantastic move which will lead to us replacing our fleets with modern tactical transport aircraft, that is replacing our Avros with the C-295, which is an Airbus, which is excellent. And as I said, top of the technology, niche technology being accepted, and all of it. 40 aircrafts are going to be manufactured in India. It means a lot. I think it's the first time the private industry, or anybody for that matter, will be making a transport aircraft in India. 40 of the first, and even among the new ones which are going to come, 3 which are coming from there, and 12 will be manufactured here. I think it's fantastic. It's a win-win situation, though of course this entire setup may start around 2026. Notwithstanding that, I think it's a super arrangement between India and Spain, which will lead to absorbing a technology and also being able to showcase our own ability to make such kind of modern tactical transport aircraft. Yeah.
Also, could you also explain the enormous economic spin-offs of setting up this C-295 aircraft complex, including to Make in India campaign and to the medium, small and micro enterprises?
See, what happens, any of these kind of technologies, when they come, it requires a tremendous amount of logistic support and the subsequent maintenance that goes on, the maintenance and repairs that go on. And when you have a manufacturing unit in India, subsequent maintenance, upgradation, taking care, lots of people are employed. A whole lot of these new technologies come up, MSMEs chip in, small factories chip in, everybody else with high-end technology being maintained, because there will be no compromise on quality whatsoever, no compromise on quality. And therefore, even the MSMEs realize it, not just the BDL and the BL. They in any case will give you the top technologies in the top manufacturing. So much would the Tata Advanced Systems also give it. But even others, when you are outsourcing, anything and everything outsourced, and when they give you, everything will be high-end technology. And that itself is a big boon, because these are all, this is not a normal technology. They are not just, it's a zero risk and zero, I would say, no acceptance of anything downgraded or a thing which is riprap. So this is a big boon, and crores is a spin-off in terms of employment, in terms of technology, in terms of money investment. And I think it's very rightly said, I think you are the one who said, just not make in India, but make for the world. Who else would be better than India?
So what does the future hold, sir, as regards India's military ties with Spain in particular and Europe at large? What is the potential that can yet be tapped?
Huge potential, because Airbus Airbus Spain, you find all of it. Any Airbus, any of these technologies, be it Boeing, be it Airbus, Lockheed, everyone and everything, they come with high-end technologies. Nothing is riprap of substandard, and for which India is prepared now. And India also will realize, even if MSMEs are concerned, that it is no longer chalta hai attitude. That chalta hai attitude will go away from the entire this thing. This thing, maintenance in India, maintenance, everything. I think that is what is very important, and I see it as a huge spin-off of the entire thing. Yeah.
More than chalta attitude, sir, also finally a last quick word on India manufacturing more of its defense equipment and weapons and relying very little on imports.
We have to ensure just not exports for this thing, but we have to see to it that we do not become one of the largest importers of the military equipment. And to that end, I think the first step has already been taken. We are touching $5 billion for an export. Slowly and steadily, even from small arms to everything, even to submarines, to aircraft carriers, to this transport aircraft, subsequently to the fighter aircraft, all of it, I think it's something like a huge step, but we will also be ensuring that all of it, that whatever is there in the market, everyone will be looking at India. And if we are the leaders or a lot of faith being entrusted on us as global South leadership, I think the world benefits from the kind of exports that India would be able to take. Because I think militarily, everywhere in the world, if it is acceptable to India, it probably is acceptable to the world. Because we have very stringent QRs on aspects when it comes to military. In that context, I think anything is being given, made in India, will be easily exported from India.
Okay. Thank you very much, Sanjay Kulkarni ji, for being on DD India News Hour. All right.